Alright, what's up guys? I bought a coolant pressure tester kit and I'm just going to show you guys how to use it. It's used to pressurize your coolant system in your car. So if you have a leak and you can't figure out where it's coming from, you pretty much you find the right adapter in here. There's a bunch of different adapters. I'll bring you in closer in a minute. But you find the right adapter, you connect it to your car's coolant system, either to the radiator cap or the backup reservoir. It's kind of a weird one. Oh, it has different radiator caps. But I'm going to connect mine to the backup reservoir. I'm going to fill it up. You want to make sure your coolant system's full. And you can pressurize your system and find out where it's leaking without the car being hot. And it's just an easy way to troubleshoot where it's leaking from. So I'm going to bring you in and show you what it looks like. So this is actually the pressure tester kit. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it. But I'm going to connect mine to the backup reservoir. So mine's going to be one of these caps. I haven't figured out which one it is. I'm going to figure that out before I start the video outside. And then you connect this hose to the top of one of these caps. And you pressurize it. You want to make sure you don't over pressurize your system. It'll say it on your radiator cap. And then once it's pressurized, you'll be leaking antifreeze and you'll figure out where the leak's coming from. Let's go get started. Okay, so I ended up using the radiator cap adapter. Just to give you a quick demonstration on how this works, you hook up the correct adapter, you plug in this quick coupler. You can tell I'm already splashing antifreeze, but you're gonna pump this up somewhat fast. Like I said, the details will be on your radiator. It says, God dang it, it says 15 psi. Spilling antifreeze everywhere. But it says 15 psi. So when you start pumping it up, this gauge is going to go up. You don't want to exceed the correct psi so you don't damage anything. But mine says 15 psi. So you can go up to 15 psi. This is probably going to start leaking before that. If your gauge goes up and it stays, you don't have a leak. If it goes down and you see antifreeze leaking somewhere, that's where you'll be able to pinpoint where your leak's coming from. But your gauge will slowly drop if you have a leak. If you have a really bad leak, it's just going to drop completely or not even go up. If it goes up and then it starts going down and you're not leaking antifreeze anywhere, you probably have a bigger issue. You probably have an internal leak somewhere. But I'm just going to show you how it works. So that's 15 psi. And it's slowly dropping down. I'm not sure if you can see how well you can see that. Ugh. Get behind the camera real quick. As you can see, it's slowly going down. And that's because I have a leak. I already know where the leak's at. But like I said, I hope that helped you out. It'll help you pinpoint where your leak's at. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the description. Or in the comments below. As always, like, comment, subscribe. And I hope this helped you guys out. I'll post more content soon. I'm out. Thanks.